Raiderland Sports Cards. Alright guys, today we got another retail blaster unboxing, and I'm going to be doing 2 boxes of 2019 Donruss Elite Football. 4 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. So yeah, this will be a short little break, guys. Let's get into it. Sorry for all the noise, guys. Somebody in the neighborhood seems to think they are trying out for Fast and the Furious. I've been hearing this all day. All right, guys. 2 boxes, 2019 Donruss Elite. 5 packs per box. And there goes the guy in his little car. All right, guys, let's get into it. Yeah, this guy happens to live like literally right next door, so I hear his little car often. Alright, guys. Start out with a Doug Baldwin, Marcus Mariota, AJ Green, Harrison Smith, and then we got a spellbound Khalil Mack. Alright, J.J. Watt, Lamar Jackson, T.Y. Hilton, we got a James Conner, preliminary colors, Matt Stafford, great, all the neighborhood dogs are going to start. Alright, we got Kerryon Johnson, Odell Beckham Jr. Alright, and we have, I think, an auto, yes, Caleb Wilson, out of 99, rookie autographs. And then we have the Aaron Donald. Nice. All right, guys. Let me go ahead and put that Caleb Wilson, and I know somebody who's wanting this Odell. Okay. Ezekiel Elliott, Julian Edelman, Mike Evans. Oh man, I thought that was Kyler. Hakeem Butler. Brett Favre, spellbound. Yeah, I thought that was a Kyler, man. That would have been nice. All right, Ezekiel Elliott again. Another Odell Beckham. Jared Cook, Antonio Brown, Jerry Rice, spellbound. All right, guys, 3 packs left from the 2 retail blaster box. Julian Edelman, Chris Jones, Mike Evans, Todd Gurley. All right, that's a nice little Nick Chubb stars, star status insert. It's got the little raised, here, I'll let y'all see that. It's got like the little raised star pattern on it. Nick Chubb. All right, guys, 2 packs left. I've already pulled one auto, and I believe this last pack down here has the mem in the other box. Phillip Rivers. Field Vision's cool. Harrison Smith with the flag. It's kind of cool. I like it just because of the American flag. All right, guys. Let me see here real quick. Okay, last pack. I believe this is going to have our mem card in it. All right, we got the Andy Dalton, Calvin Ridley, and Jalen Ramsey is going to be our, and then we have a Saquon Spellbound in the back. Jalen Ramsey Pro Bowl patch, numbered at a 99. And yeah, I believe that's it, guys. This is going to be our auto. Caleb Wilson. All right, and ODB. All right, guys, this was 2019 Donruss Elite. This was a 2-box blaster break. Yeah, and hope y'all enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more breaks. Thank y'all.